Welcome back to CLE Weekend. We're here in Mayfield Heights at a dental practice that's truly rethinking what dentistry can be here at Richards Frankel Dentistry, and we're with the woman behind it all, Dr. Margaret Richards Frankel. Tell us about this practice. Even when you come in, it's got a more holistic feel.
Oh, Gab, thank you so much for being here and welcome. When we designed Richards Frankel Dentistry, we really had patients in mind. So we were looking to make an environment that was warm and calming, but also reflected the kind of state-of-the-art dentistry we do.
Because you really are both. You're taking a holistic approach to dentistry. So yes, you deliver excellent care and artistic cosmetic dentistry, which we'll get into. But how does approaching it from a holistic standpoint change a routine checkup?
Absolutely. So when you come in as a new patient in our practice, we hope that you're going to experience the new patient, what we call experience, right? And so we take a lot of time to get to know you as a whole person, your oral health goals, your overall health goals. And then when we're done collecting information from an examination with our doctors, we sit down with you, we go over what we're seeing, we try to enlighten our patients, really let them know their current oral health status so that they can make informed decisions about what they are looking for the future. Not just about their mouth, but even how it might impact their overall health.
I know so many people have to appreciate that thorough approach. When it comes to more the cosmetic side of the dentistry, how does your artistic touch go into this process?
Cosmetic dentistry, so to speak, is a lot about artistry. It's about the designing process. It's actually really about thinking three-dimensionally about the face. So how are the teeth going to fit into the face? How will the smile enhance the face? And oftentimes you're recreating maybe what was lost in a patient, or you're looking to enhance what they don't have. And so there's technique involved in that. And there's also ceramists, master ceramists that are artists that create a lot of the porcelain materials or, other restorations that will be applied to the teeth. So we use artists, we act as artists, we think three-dimensionally just to provide that patient exactly what they're looking for.
Wow, so high quality all around. How about, let's talk about, there's airway health is something I recently learned about. And since you serve anyone from kids to older people, what is airway health and why is that important to consider when you come to the dentist?
Yeah, absolutely. So believe it or not, oftentimes signs of airway dysfunction or sleep disordered breathing, sleep apnea, many people have heard that term, it manifests first in the mouth. So we can see signs of it. So your airway health is impacted by your jaw structure, right? And the soft tissue in your mouth, like your tongue, your musculature, that impacts how you breathe and subsequently how you sleep.
Wow.
But also, if you have sleep apnea, it negatively impacts your oral health. So we can see signs. And if we're looking to treat the teeth, right, and the face, we really have to take other aspects of total health into consideration, like your airway.
That can be life-changing for people, to have that evaluation.
Yes, absolutely, especially in kids, because when we identify any airway dysfunction in children, we have the ability to course correct early on so that these kids can develop into healthy adults. So
wonderful. Well, for anyone watching who might be a little nervous to come to the dentist or check it out, what would you advise for them coming in to Richards Frankel Dentistry?
Sure. Well, you're not alone. Oftentimes people can feel nervous going to the dentist, but we treat everyone like family. We want you to feel calm and cared for, and everything we do is really tailored towards you. And so we often find that patients who start off nervous end up really enjoying their experience.
Oh, I love that. Well, it is a very comforting environment to begin with. You did such a nice job designing the inside of this and delivering the kind of care that aligns with that. So thank you for your time. And for anyone looking for more information, we've got all that on the screen.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. We look forward to seeing you here.